The layout of the Cascade Elite presents a cozy aft corner seating area with a removable table directly behind the captain's station. And it doubles as a staging area for those getting ready to ski or play off the stern. Equip this boat with one of our high-performance packages and it won't just feel like a ski boat, it will be one. Cascade Elite comes with an Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stand with soft-touch black recessed dash and gray wood accents. A 2-person mid-bench on the port side fill out the midsection and complete the 6-person seating area. Cascade Elite is both a cozy lounge and speed hound in one boat. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign 2 helm stand with gray wood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.